Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Draw the Strokes. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to draw Goku from Dragon Ball Z, and also I'm gonna paint it in watercolors. If you want to learn how to draw Goku, watch the video till the end. Without wasting the time, let's get started. So I will be starting off by drawing his face in a box which is 3 by 4 centimeters height. So I'm doing it because it will be easy for you guys to copy it or to learn how to draw his face from this tutorial. So his left eye will be shorter as compared to his right eye because I'm gonna show side view of his face, and things will get foreshortened if they are slightly away from our view. Draw kind of inverse shape of 7 to get his nose right, and to draw his mouth, simply draw 2 small curves as shown in the video. Draw his hairline slightly from top of the box and drag it near his eyebrows. Now lay out the outline of his hair with freehand lines and free flowing lines to make your work easy. To draw his arms, draw 2 cylinders and go on adding muscles on top of it as shown in the video. Draw another kind of cylinder shape on his brush to draw his wristband. After you are done with drawing his head and arms, give outline of his clothing as shown in the video. Now draw another hand of character with same kind of wristband on his wrist. I am gonna draw palm rather than the top portion of his hand. First, I thought of coloring the drawing rather than giving it an outline, but I felt somewhat uncomfortable doing it, so I switched it to giving it outline first. As you can see, I am using a simple ballpoint pen rather than using inks or Copic markers just because the ink of ballpoint pen remain undisturbed or stable even after I use watercolors on top of it. After you're done with layout and outlining the drawing, color it if you like to do so with the medium which you are comfortable to do with. I'm gonna be using color pencils to paint his skin tone and watercolors to paint his clothes and hair. I'm using white color pencils to show the shine on his hair. I'm using black color to show the shadows and outlines of the drawing because it creates a sense of depth into the drawing and it makes our drawing look good. That's it guys, this is the final product. I hope you liked it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as I post new videos thrice a week. I'm gonna be sharing my tips on how to draw characters like Marvel, Naruto and Dragon Ball Z, and I'm also thinking of sharing tips on drawing Pokemon with you. So comment me your opinion below. So meet you in next video. Until then, bye.